Hey there. Let me ask you something. Are you struggling to keep your blood sugar levels in check? It's tough, right? I've been there myself, feeling frustrated with all the confusing advice out there. Diets, exercise plans, supplements, nothing seemed to work. But what if I told you there was a simple, enjoyable way to manage your blood sugar that doesn't involve crazy restrictions or hours at the gym? I want to share something with you that completely changed the way I look at blood sugar management. It's all in a book called Smart Blood Sugar, and it could change your life too. I used to feel completely overwhelmed by my blood sugar levels. There were days when I felt sluggish, irritable, and honestly just plain tired. I tried every diet you can imagine, low carb, low sugar, you name it, but nothing really clicked. That is, until I found Smart Blood Sugar. This book gave me the tools I needed to understand what was actually happening in my body and how to fix it in a sustainable, enjoyable way. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about making simple, lasting changes that actually work. So, what exactly is Smart Blood Sugar? It's a step-by-step guide to reversing insulin resistance and getting your blood sugar under control, without crazy diets or grueling exercise routines. It focuses on flipping your body's blood sugar switch back on so your cells can burn sugar efficiently instead of storing it as fat. This means lower blood sugar levels and ultimately better overall health. And trust me, it's easier than you think. One of the best things about Smart Blood Sugar is that it's not some quick fix solution. It's based on real science and natural medicine, backed by years of experience. Dr. Marlene Merritt, who wrote the book, takes you through a proven diabetes reversal recipe that helps lower blood sugar while boosting your energy and health. You get delicious meal plans that take only 20-30 minutes to prepare, no more stressing over what to eat or trying to find time to cook. And the best part? The recipes taste amazing. Who says you have to suffer through bland food to manage your blood sugar? Plus, there's so much more inside the book. Dr. Merritt shares natural ingredients and practical tips that help you lower blood sugar, boost insulin production, and reduce sugar cravings. You'll get a 7-day meal plan, a guide to 99 foods that lower blood sugar, and a cheat sheet for reading food labels so you can avoid ingredients that spike your blood sugar. And guess what? You'll even learn how to enjoy alcohol without sabotaging your blood sugar levels. Talk about a game changer. Dr. Merritt herself is super passionate about helping people reverse their blood sugar problems. In a recent YouTube video, she shared, "Imagine a life with no restrictive diets or crazy exercise programs, just an easy, enjoyable way to eat that you can maintain for the rest of your life." And she's absolutely right. This isn't about depriving yourself. It's about making small, sustainable changes that you can live with long term. What sets Smart Blood Sugar apart from everything else out there is that it's built on real science and practical, actionable advice. There's no fluff, just real, useful information that you can start applying today. It's not about drastic changes. It's about learning how to eat in a way that works for you and your body. And unlike many other products, Smart Blood Sugar doesn't push extreme measures or quick fixes. It's all about gradual, sustainable improvement. Now, here's the best part. You can start this life-changing journey for just $27. And guess what? You're covered by a 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. That means zero risk, all reward. But wait, there's more. If you order today, you'll get 5 free bonuses, including a video where a master chef prepares a delicious blood sugar-friendly meal. You're not just getting a book. You're getting everything you need to succeed. And trust me, this is the kind of investment you'll be glad you made. Don't wait too long. This offer won't last forever. Click the link in the description below to grab your copy of Smart Blood Sugar today and take the first step toward better health. It's time to feel your best and enjoy life without the stress of managing your blood sugar. Let's do this together.